To create a clipping mask, you're going to start with a background that you want to appear as the background to your text. You are then going to click on the text tool and you are going to click onto the screen, and all of the settings for your text are up here along the top. You're going to want a large text and something that's quite a thick text so that you can actually see the image in the background.
We were here last time.
You are then going to type in the word, resize that and put it where you want it on your background. You are then going to make sure that the text layer is underneath the background layer. So we are going to click on it and drag that down underneath the background layer. What you are then going to do is click onto the background layer again at the top here. You're going to right mouse click and go to create clipping mask, and that will then set the background to be the just on the text only. Now it's quite hard to read on this one, so what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add in a new layer by clicking the new layer button down here at the bottom, and I'm just going to, on mine, I'm just going to use a black rectangle. So I've chosen black and I've chosen the rectangle, and I can draw a rectangle over the text there. Now obviously at the minute that's covered it up because our layer is above the others, so if we drag that right down to the bottom, you will then be left with something that looks like this. This doesn't just have to be done with text, we can also use images as well. So if I put an image of a footprint, a dog footprint on here, and I take out the background and just leave the black footprint, what I can then do, press Ctrl and D to deselect. Again, I can drag that layer underneath the background, right mouse click on the background layer and create a clipping mask, and that will do exactly the same as we've just done there. Again, it doesn't have to be just done with black and white images. You can see here I've very roughly drawn around the edge of a picture of a dog. If I drag that underneath the layer for the background, right click and create clipping mask, that will also do what we have done with all of the other images.